Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for tuning in and joining me. My name is Vicky, I'm the vet and I'm here at Ringwood Vet Hospital. What I'd really like to do today is feeling skin. I'm feeling like talking about it. I wanted to record something to just give you guys some tips how to look after your dog's skin health at home. It's something that I get asked about a lot from you guys when I'm seeing you in the consultation. Skin health, look, it's just so important. It's not just about cosmetics, it's actually about comfort. You think about that saying you often hear from people about feeling comfortable in your own skin. It's what envelops us, it drapes us. There is no getting away from your skin. So when it's not feeling so good, when your dog's skin is unwell, whether that's because it's dry, inflamed, itchy or infected, it doesn't feel good for them too. I treat so many patients for dermatitis and I just feel that at-home skincare is such an important topic. So I wanted to give you some of my favourite easy at-home tips that you can use to help keep your dog's skin in tip-top condition. My number one tip, and this is probably the most important, so it's number one on the list and it's most important, is to feed a high quality diet. When it comes to skin health, high quality ingredients are gonna shine through. We can definitely tell when you bring your dog in for their physical exam and vaccination who's on a good quality diet based on what's going on with their coat and their skin. If you've got a dog that suffers from itchy skin or sensitive skin, look for diets that containing ingredients like egg protein as well as essential oils, omega-3 and 6 fatty acids in particular. What these ingredients are is they're natural anti-inflammatories and they help to settle the skin. We have some awesome local brands that do this really, really well. You've got a dog roll called Prime 100. Delicate Care is a biscuit brand that does it really well. And there's a lot of international brands at your local pet store on the shelf as well. So definitely look at feeding them a high quality diet. My number two thing to consider for at-home skin health is if you do have one of those dogs that are itchy or suffering with sensitive skin, look at reaching for some supplements, some extra support. If I've got a dog that is suffering with their skin, I'm not wasting my time with fish oil capsules and sardines to get that job done. I'm really the kind of person that wants to reach for something that's got some evidence behind it, that there's some great results that are out there. And look, I'm not going to list brands. I don't really want this to be an ad. I don't want to stand here spruiking brands to you. So if a skin supplement is something that you're interested in, certainly pop a note in the comments. We can talk about a few that have some really good evidence behind them. You just want to remember that if you are making any changes to your dog's diet for their skin health, that's going to take about 6 to 8 weeks to come through. So just be patient and stick with it for a little while. Number 3 thing I wanted to talk about today is have a bit of a think when you're bathing your dog about exactly what you're doing there. If you're like me, I love a nice hot shower, but the heat from warm water, what it does is it warms up the skin and then evaporates. And if that water's evaporating, it's actually drawing out the water and the moisture from in the skin with it. So hot showers, hot baths, they actually leave the skin quite dry, and that makes it dull and can make it itchy as well. So instead of a hot bath or a hot shower, just use tepid water and a towel or a cool blow dry afterwards. Be really, really picky about the shampoos that you're picking up, guys. Stay away from cheap and nasty. Look for brands which are advertising on the label that they're soap free and that they're sulfate free. Just don't be disappointed when you pick them up and they're not lathering like you would expect a shampoo to. They won't typically do that, and that's normal. The last thing I want to talk about is don't underestimate a good brush. A regular brushing and regular grooming is going to be great to remove shed hair, any dirt that's in the coat, any debris, any scale. The added bonus is you're actually stimulating your dog's skin to produce its natural oils, and you can pick up any early lumps, bumps and sore spots. So at the end of the day, what I want to say to you guys is if you've got worries about your pet's skin, don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Come on in and see your vet about it. Everything from a bit of scratching to pustulating sores, I guarantee you we've seen it all before. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed my favourite tips for keeping your dog's skin in great condition at home. Let's talk in the comments if you've got any questions about any of that at all. And I hope to talk to you guys again really, really soon. See you guys. Bye-bye.